Afternoon, sir and ma'am, and my dear friends. Myself Maheshwar Sahu. Today I am discuss about Group 3 project IoT based vehicle tracking system. Moving on. Now I am covered by in this topic content. Introduction, component required, Arduino module, GPS module and GSM module and block diagram, circuit diagram, working principle, advantage, disadvantage, application, conclusion and its reference. Moving on. Introduction. It is the system used to determine the location of a object or person. Modern vehicle tracking system uses GPS technology to monitor and locate our vehicle anywhere on earth. The vehicle tracking system is fitted inside the vehicle that send real-time location and data can be sent by text message stored which can be used for analysis in future. Moving on. This system connects a series of satellites to determine the location. It uses the position of 3 or more satellites from the global navigation satellite system and its distance to determine latitude and longitude. Moving on. These are my component required: Arduino module, GSM module, GPS module, LCD display, battery, SIM card, switch and connecting wire. Moving on. Arduino module. In this system, we used Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno is a microcontroller board based on the 80 mega 328 microcontroller. Here Arduino Uno receives data from GPS module and send it to mobile by GSM module. Moving on. GPS module. The Global Positioning System is a satellite-based navigation system that provides location and time information. A GPS receiver calculates its position by using time and the signal set by satellites. GPS module contain tiny processor and antennas that directly receive data sent by satellite. Moving on. GSM module. In this system, we use GSM module, that is SIM900A. SIM900A GSM module is the smallest and cheapest module for GPRS or GSM communication. It makes vehicle tracking system to be wireless. It collects data from GPS module and send it to mobile by text message. And its block diagram. Here in this system, we are using the GSM module for sending the coordinate of vehicle on mobile phone via message. GPS is sends the coordinates continuously in form of string. After reading the string using Arduino, extract the required data from string and then send it to mobile phone using GSM module via SMS. This information is called latitude or longitude. GPS used 3 or 4 satellites for tracking the location of any vehicle. Now I am discuss about in this topic circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram, 3 main components used. These are Global Positioning System or GPS, GSM module and Arduino. GSM module R receiver pin is directly connected to transmitter pin of Arduino and the transmitter pin of GPS is directly connected to receiver pin of Arduino and a 16x2 LCD is also connected with Arduino for displaying coordinate. It is assumed that the reader gone through how to start with Arduino and how to interface LCD with Arduino. Moving on. Working principle. It uses global positioning. Working principle. It uses global positioning system to know location of vehicle or object. The tracker uses a process called trilateration, which uses the position of 3 or more satellites from the global navigation satellite system network and its distance from them to determine latitude, longitude, elevation and time. Moving on. The location that is generated by GPS module is then sent to GSM module by the help of Arduino Uno module. Then the data is transmitted by using cellular network or GSM network to mobile phone. Moving on. Now, when we call the number of SIM card inside the GSM module, then we get a text message. Text message contain latitude and longitude of our location. Advantages: ability to access location from anywhere at any time on any device, prevent vehicles from more theft, improved communication between connected electronic devices, improve situational awareness, track behavior for real-time marketing. Moving on. Disadvantages: security and privacy. Keeping the data gathered and transmitted by IoT device is challenging as they develop and expand in use. Technical complexity, connectivity and power dependence, time consuming and expensive to implement. Moving on. Applications: preventing vehicle theft, mapping and surveying, tracking for law enforcement, keeping watch on elderly people, military and civil aviation, public transport monitoring like taxi service and bus services, emergency vehicle locations. Moving on. Conclusion: the most essential thing in today's world is providing security to the public and private vehicles. So, vehicle tracking system is proposed to locate the exact position of the vehicle when it is lost or hidden somewhere. Along with the tracking system, anti-theft system is also developed to provide security. It is mostly applicable in transportation system, military application, public vehicles, etc. Moving on. Reference. These are my reference. Thank you to all.